Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Last night I have some leftover stir-fried lap cheong with fried shallot. So I've decided to pre-cook some white rice and make it into a lap cheong fried rice. Okay, so I have 2 free-range egg here. I'm adding some choy sam. Yeah, you can use any veggie you like or spring onion. Then of course I will normally request my mother-in-law to help me to pre-cook the rice few hours before. Then we'll be putting in some white pepper, my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder, premium light soy sauce, and some salt. Right, first of all, let's stir fry the veggie a bit. I don't mind giving it a little bit of light soy sauce and white pepper. Once you start seeing the veggie started to soften a bit, you can actually set it aside. So first of all, let's give it a little bit of vegetable oil. Then we can put in the egg. Let's give the egg a little bit of light soy sauce. I love the beautiful orangey color. Let's break the egg. So once you see it started to become like 50% half cooked, this is where you can put in the rice. And now you want to mix the rice together with the egg. Okay, let's mix all this together. And make sure you remove the clumps. Yeah, you want the rice to be individual grain. You can feel how fluffy the rice is. The rice shouldn't be too wet when you cook it. Right, next thing, I'm going to put in the lap cheong, the veggie, the choy sam, two, 3 rounds of light soy sauce. Cooking Appa chicken stock powder, we can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore or any NVIDIA restaurant throughout the whole Malaysia. Some fine salt. 2 dashes of white pepper. Now, let's bring everything nicely together. You want to use medium-high heat right now, yeah? At least. Oh, I can smell the light soy sauce. I can smell the egg. I can smell the lap cheong right now. So I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.